Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 27 January 2022 and I am teaching you chapter number 22. Name of the chapter, Reaching Places. So let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed the book exercise of the chapter, short question answer of the chapter, and we are doing long question answer of the chapter. And question number 1, what are the disadvantage of the modern mean of transport? This we have completed in our classwork copy. Next is, why is a water transport important? This question also we have completed in our classwork copy, and only one question is left in this chapter to complete, that is question number 3, how has the mean of transport brought the world close? Question number E, long answer questions. So question number 3. So student, you note down the question from the book. How has the mean of transport brought the world close? So this mean of transport has brought the world very close, because now in modern time or in present time, due to science and technology, there are different means of vehicles which are running on the road, means on a land transport. There are many means of land transport also, water transport also, and air transport also. So now it become very easier to move in any part of the country, and even if you want to go in other countries also, so facilities are available. Okay, so that is the reason these means of uh, transport. And nowadays present time, uh, trading with other countries is also possible within a short time due to these means of transport. Okay, so that is the reason this mean of transport brought the world close. So note down the answer. Transports are the way to overcome the barriers of physical distance. Okay, you cut to this point. Okay, right. Transports is an effective way to connect the people to connect the people. Transports is an effective way to connect the people with no regards to the distance that separate them. Transport generally help the people and goods move from one place to another. So we can say that transport brought the world close. So transport is an effective way to connect the people with no regards to the distance that separate them. Transport generally help the people and goods move from one place to another. So we can say that transport brought the world close. You can take a screenshot also. Now this is a homework. Draw any two means of land transport. Draw any two means of air transport. Third, draw any two means of water transport. So this is the homework. You will draw this diagram in your classwork copy. Okay. chapter 24, reaching out. Okay, so student, so chapter number 24, we have already discussed this chapter in very detail in our online classes. So let's start with the book exercises of this chapter. Okay, now in today's video we will start completing the book exercise of chapter number 24. The name of the chapter is reaching out. Let's start with question number A. Take the correct answer. Question number 1. Which of the following is a mode of personal communication? So when I explain you, student, at that time I explain you what is the difference between personal mean of communication and mass mean of communication also. So now the name of the few things are given. We have to identify which is the personal mean of communication. Option A is given, radio. So no, radio is a mass mean of communication. ओके, इंटरनेट है, तो इंटरनेट में भी बहुत से सॉफ्टवेयर हैं जहाँ कंबाइंड इंफॉर्मेशंस आपको मिलती रहती है. ठीक है, न्यूज़पेपर है, दिस इज आल्सो ए मास मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. ये भी क्या है, मास मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. सो अनदर इज द ईमेल. यस, ऑप्शन नंबर डी दैट इज ईमेल. ऑप्शन नंबर डी दैट इज email. So this is the right answer. Option number D. ठीक है, क्योंकि इंटरनेट भी मास मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है, सारे लोग इंटरनेट यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, हाँ, ईमेल क्या है, ये भी इंटरनेट के थ्रू ही चलता है, लेकिन आप ईमेल उसी को कर सकते हो जिसका आपके पास ईमेल आईडी हो. ईमेल सेंड करने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है ईमेल आईडी. अगर आपके पास ईमेल आईडी है देन ओनली यू कैन सेंड मैसेज टू दैट पर्सन. दैट इज द रीज़न ईमेल क्या आ गया, पर्सनल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन आ गया. ठीक है, सेकंड है टू सेंड कॉपीज ऑफ ए डॉक्यूमेंट वी यूज ए. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू सेंड कॉपीज ऑफ ए डॉक्यूमेंट तो टेलीफोन. सो टेलीफोन से टू वेज कम्युनिकेशन है, पर्सनल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट ए राइट आंसर. प्रिंटर से हाँ प्रिंट आउट दिया जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ क्या बोल रहा है, टू सेंड अ कॉपी ऑफ ए डॉक्यूमेंट वी यूज ए फैक्स मशीन. सो फैक्स मशीन इज आल्सो नॉट अ राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज द स्पीड पोस्ट. यस, अगर कोई कॉपी ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट है, आप this service is available in the post office by sending. You can send any document. ठीक है, कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट है, कोई फॉर्म है जो आपने फिलअप किया है. ठीक है, सो विद योर ओरिजिनल साइंस. ऐसे भी कई फॉर्म होते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स जिसमें आपके ओरिजिनल साइन मांगता है. जैसे फैक्स मशीन से भी चीज़ें भेजी जा सकती हैं, लेकिन वो प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में आएगा. ठीक है, लेकिन आप इसके थ्रू कोई भी फॉर्म सेंड करोगे डॉक्यूमेंट्स, तो इसमें जो भी आप साइन करोगे वो आपके ओरिजिनल होंगे, जो पेन वाले साइन है. दैट इज द रीज़न वी सेलेक्ट ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज द स्पीड पोस्ट, एंड दिस फैसिलिटी इज अवेलेबल इन द पोस्ट ऑफिस. आंसर इज स्पीड पोस्ट. नेक्स्ट है एडवर्टाइजमेंट सर्च a large number of people with the help of radio, television, internet, all of this. So देखो बेटा, अगर आप रेडियो सुनते होगे, FM रेडियो सुनते होगे, तो आप देखते होगे हर गाने के पास कंटिन्यूस कोई ना कोई एडवर्टाइजमेंट आती रहती है, तो इसके थ्रू भी है। टेलीविज़न पे आप वेन एवर यू आर वॉचिंग द your favorite cartoon channels or pictures, in between that you will see there is a break, and in this break time you see lot of advertisement in televisions also. Okay, next internet. Yes, in the internet also you see lot of, आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट की पता नहीं है, मान लो आप कोई नई चीज़ खरीदना चाहते हो तो आप उस चीज़ का नाम लिखोगे और लिखोगे व्हाट इज़ द प्राइस लिस्ट ऑफ दिस, वो भी पूरी कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देगा और प्रोडक्ट के बारे में भी बता देगा। So all these options are right. That is, radio is also right, television is also right, internet is also right. So option number D, again option number D, that is all of these. All of these is the right answer. Okay. Now next step, postal department are set up by the postal department, means post office services which are present in your area. So president, governor, government, none of this. So this post office services is set up by the government. ठीक है, president is the head of the country, so it is not in the duties of the president. Okay, governor is the head of the state, it has his own other responsibilities. So in every state, as we know that in every state there is a government and they set up the post office. So right answer is C, government. Fifth question is, an email can be sent through a, how we can send a email. So email is also known as electronic mail. So how we can send it? By a laptop? Yes, by the laptop you can send email. Mobile phone also, yes, this facility is available in the mobile phone also. Next is given tablet. Okay, yes, by this also you can send the email. So option number D is all of this. Yes, this is the right answer. This is the right answer. Now we will start with the second question. Question B, fill in the blanks. Question number 1, the person who send a message. So जो पर्सन किसी को, आप अगर आप किसी को मैसेज सेंड करते हो तो आप सेंडर हो, और जिस पर्सन ने आपका मैसेज रिसीव किया वो रिसीवर है. तो द पर्सन हु सेंड ए मैसेज, दैट इज नोन एज सेंडर. So right answer is sender. Second, the radio was invented by, means who was the person who does the discovery of radio. तो Marconi discovered the radio. Third, cinema is a popular mean of dash communication. You go to malls to watch the movie. So this is which type of a communication? So this is a mass communication, because many people at the same time, many people are watching the same movie. So it come under the category of mass communication. Next, documentaries can be seen in dash halls. So where you can see the documentaries? In the cinema halls. So now we will continue this book exercise in the next video. Thank you, students.